welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and in this channel you will find cleaning motivation, organizational ideas and DIYs, all on a friendly budget. Please forgive my appearance because it is 92 degrees outside and I just came inside from doing laundry the old-fashioned way. So please make sure you tag along with me today as we do laundry the old-fashioned way. I start by filling up a bucket with hot water. This will help take out the stains and loosen the grease on my kitchen towels. Next, I will be adding the borax and stirring the water so it could be dissolved. These kitchen towels are from the long weekend that we had here in the United States, but also it was my son's birthday and I did a little barbecue just for my family, which is my mom, my dad, my brother, and just us, my children. Tell me, what did you do this past weekend? Then I am rubbing the salted bar soap into the areas that I see stains and grease. This method that I use to wash my kitchen towel, I learned when I was 14 years old by my aunt back in my home country. Tell me, how did you learn to do your laundry and how old were you when you first started doing it all by yourself? Now I will let the towels stay here for 10 to 15 minutes. This step is called stripping. While the clothes is stripping, I want to give a big shout out to Charmayne from Charmayne Rosely and Becky from BeckyMA 02. These wonderful ladies have put together this collaboration motivational laundry video just for you. Also, before you go, make sure you check out the playlist down below so you could take a look at the squad. What squad, Mariana? Well, the squad is a group of amazing women that I have met through this platform that gives you real life hacks and tips and motivation ideas, and they're here to pump you up and to get you energized and to reach over the screen and let you know you are not alone. You are with us. You are part of this squad. So make sure you check out their channels, give them your thumbs up, introduce yourself and subscribe to them. And without further ado, let's continue doing some more laundry. Here comes the part that it's going to require a lot of elbow grease, and also perhaps you want to wear gloves. But if you don't want to do these steps, just wait until we go outside. The sun does miracles for our clothing. just noticed that I am not rinsing the towels off, and I don't want you to rinse your clothes neither, especially if it has grease or stain. I want you to come outside with me and let's hang it and let the sun finish eliminating any stains or anything else that you don't want on your clothes. Well, what do we have over here? I forgot to put the German Shepherds inside of their kennel, and when I came outside to flip the kitchen towels so the sun can also take care of them on the other side, I realized that the boy German Shepherd had too much fun playing with the kitchen towel and destroy it. Anyhow, at this point, what I'm doing is I'm finally rinsing the kitchen towels, and this is our final step. I'm rinsing them and I'm hanging them, and I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna hold them with some clothespins because it has gotten very windy. However, it's still very, very hot outside. If you made it this far into today's video, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and help me grow it. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel a lot. Give me a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment introducing yourself or answering any of the questions throughout this video. But most importantly, be part of our squad. Make sure you go ahead and you check out that playlist, link in the description box. And until our next video, stay safe, you are enough, and I'll see you later.